Hello guys, this is orange tree pero hindi pa sila hinog. Green pa sila pero marami na ring bunga. Okay, yung lime naman doon, itong grabe ang bunga. This is sweet lime, so daming bunga. Okay, sweet limes. Pwede nang i-harvest. Yung tangerine naman, yun ang daming ding bunga. Yan, pero hindi pa ready for harvest. Marami ng hinog. Daming bunga, oh. There's a lot of fruits. But hindi pa sila ready. Not ready to harvest yet. Pero yun. Okay, bye guys. Shout out everyone. Shout out, shout out. Hi Philippines. Pwede na kayong kumuha. Libre sa inyo. Okay? Bye guys.